Hi, this is Linda from KC Creation, bringing you the tour of the Birds and Bees journal. It measures 9 by 6 and it has a 4.5-inch spine. There's a taffeta purple ribbon here tied with chiffon ribbon. We've got an angled vellum pocket. I fussy cut out a little bird and little bee. There's all your tags, cards. Got a little bee charm. All the cards and tags throughout the journal are backed with another layer of cardstock so that they're extra durable. There's a little bird charm, little balsam birdhouse. The little bulb pins hold the smaller tags onto the ribbons, and they work just like safety pins. All of the ribbon, when you see it, there's going to be a metal eyelet that it's threaded through to protect the holes. It's another little bee charm. There's your front. We've got some antique lace here covering the edge of the vellum. On the spine, got a lot of streamers. I've used this color of chiffon ribbon throughout the journal. There is 2 tags, a little bird, there's a bee. There is 3 sections. They're held on by the twine. That way you can slide the journal cover out from underneath it and reinsert it easily. On the closure here, there's some lavender chiffon ribbon. I have finished off the ends so that they're easy to thread through the large eyelets here. I have made a little 2022 calendar for you. They are backed, all the pages, so you can write on them important events, birthdays, anniversaries, whatever. Also, I have made you a planner. It's on a cinch binding. And there's all kinds of pages in here. And in between each of the cardstock pages, I've included 2 paper pages that you can journal on. Write down things that interest you, what you need to do, whatever. It goes on and on. This is the first section to the journal. I have made a hidden paper clip here. It just slides off. There's a paper clip inside so that when you tuck it down, you can stick something underneath it and it will hold it. Grab a tag here, somewhere, here we go. And you can just stick it right under there and it would hold it. Here is the other side. This side also, the paper clip comes over there, so you could also tuck something under there and it would hold. This is a light green chiffon ribbon that is this closure. You have an acetate window here to see the little bees. Pull it out from the side. There's a little bird. And the birds and bees are mixed together throughout the journal. Opens this way. I fussy cut out a little bird here that serves as a tuck spot for this little tag. And there is one at the top. Little bird charm. Here we have a bee that I fussy cut out that serves as a tuck spot for this little tag. There's a little recipe on honey gingerbread. There is a pull out from the side. It opens this way. I've got some flowers fussy cut out as a little tuck spot there with these 2 tags. there is a pull-out from the top. Just fits between the two layers of cardstock. On this side, we've got a little flag tuck that holds this tag. There's a pull-out and a hidden pocket here for the bees on the fruit. Opens again. We've got a little kind of cartoony, fun beehive there. There's a big bee that serves as a tuck for these tickets. Over here we have a flip. It is angled. This is attached to this one. Got a little bee house there. Little tags, little bird. And from the side of this one, we've got to pull out. If I can get it unstuck here. There we go. Bird hives. Excuse me, beehives. That tucks back in. And from this side, we open it up, and you've got to pull here. Let's get some birds. Orange chiffon ribbon. And then here is another little bee. Here we've got a little band, and there's a mason jar here with some bees in it. I fussy cut out a little bee there. Fits right there. And here I've got a closure. It's got orange chiffon ribbon. I have finished the the tips on this also, in case you wanted to undo it. But if you just wanted to, you could just slide these out from under it without untying it. Fit a few in this one. Just slide them right back in there. And there's plenty of room in here if you wanted to add something else also. This is the second section. Again, I've made a hidden paper clip. Here, a little bee, little birdhouse. Again, a bee and a bird, little ticket. Some antique lace. This opens up. This is the back of the hidden paper clip. This is some orange chiffon ribbon that is this closure. Got some antique lace here on the side. I've cut out a bird here that serves for these tiny wee little tags, little tickets. They fit right behind the bird. And then I have cut out part of this beehive so that it continues the pattern. This is about a woodlark, little bird charm. It's a pull out from the side. Oh, let's pull this one out. That one goes the other way. Little bird. That's writing space. Oh goodness. There we go. You open it up. This one pulls out from the sides. Pure honey. Got a little band there that serves as a tiny little pocket to hold these two. And on this side, again, I have fussy cut out. What is underneath here is exactly what I made the pocket. So it completes the picture when the tags are removed. Bees, birds, another little bird charm. the side. Got green chiffon tied with some green baker's twine. Opens again. Got honey, a bottle of honey I've fussy cut and glued on here to hold postcard and this little tag. And on this side, got some flowers here that I cut out to use as a tuck spot. Got a ticket, a bird feather. Opens this way. I've got an angled band there. It's antique lace. You've got 2 long tags, great for bookmarks, marking a place in your journal. Oh goodness. There we go. Here I've fussy cut out a bee that holds this little card. And you can open it this way. I've got 2 little birds here in the daisies. Serves as a little tuck spot. In the center we have a vellum pocket that I've decorated. I've cut out a flower here with some bees. It says beekeeper. These just slide out from the side. This is vellum. The third section, again, another hidden paper clip. There's the bees on this side, birds on that side, with some antique lace. This one has a burgundy chiffon ribbon as its closure. Here we have a little angled pocket there for these little tags. Little bird charm. Pull out from the side, another little bird with some mauve colored ribbon. Opens up. Again, I fussy cut out a large bee here that holds this ticket and little tag. It has a pull out from the top. This journal is packed. Here I've got a honey jar that I fussy cut out and made a pocket, and I put the little bee here to hold this little ticket of a bird. And then the tags just pull out. Looks like it's coming out from top of the jar. Got a little bee charm. It has a pull out from the side. Birds in their bird cages. Opens up. Got a pull out from this side. It's a blue jay. And here I've cut out a birdhouse. There's a little bee I added also. Holds these little tags with the baker's twine as their pulls. On this side it is a flip. I've cut out a flower that's got a bee on it. It holds these little tickets. So pull out from the top. It's a bee, little bee charm. Opens up. fussy cut out some flowers that matches the background. I've got pure rubber stamps from Honey Labels and a little ticket. And it has a pull out from the side, little bird. On this section, little bee here that I fussy cut to hold this tiny little ticket. It's got baker's twine there. And the birdhouse is exactly what is underneath it. I just copied another piece of paper and cut it out. Used it as a pocket. It opens up. It has a pull from the side. All about bees. Opens again. Got a little pocket there, bee journal. Holds these little tags. And in the center, you've got a little key that you just turn, and this opens up. It does hold a tag, a little bird. This fits between the paper there. And this little bird seed box serves as a tag for this ticket. Opens up, and we've got some more large cards. There's the bees. Lots of different kinds of bees. Bird feathers. And a blue jay. This is the inside back. I've got an antique brass clip that holds the actual journal onto the back cover. It is loaded with all kinds of paper. I've made copies of lined paper, blank paper, decorative paper. All this has been used throughout the journal. Then it opens this way. Got a little pocket here. Holds these tags. And more tags. Here with this little metal clip, that is an envelope. I've made you an envelope. It is empty. It's for you to store your photos, notes, letters, any memorabilia that you might have to put in your journal. Then it opens up again, and you have another writing area. So the whole thing works like this. Here was one of your journals, and here's the other one. And just accordions back up. If I can get it to accordion back up, there we go. I thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thank you.